You guys, welcome to our house, our new house. I'm going to show you what it looks like empty. I'm going to do an empty house tour. So this is the entryway, right when you walk in. That's the garage, whatever that is. And then you can either go upstairs or downstairs. I'll show you guys downstairs right now. It's so exciting, we just closed. So this is like a living room area. Obviously it's empty. So living room, and then there's a bedroom down here, which this will probably be where I work out, guest room, where I work out until we get our workout stuff set up in the garage. And this is utility room, and then bathroom, shower. Crazy. Now let's go upstairs. So then you can come up these stairs, and this is a living room area. And I love this detail of the window. And then there's a park. This is like one of the best parts. Our backyard is literally a park. Cool. And then dining room, kitchen, and like TV area. And this was something I really wanted, was our bedrooms separate from the kitchen and living room. So that's super nice. We have a nice little deck. And then we need to decide if we want to do a fence or not, but Grayson is gonna love this park this summer. He's totally gonna love it. And then you can go upstairs, and I'm gonna have to talk quiet because Grayson's napping. Washer and dryer is in here. And right now it's stacked, but I think we will unstack it. This will be my office room, bathroom. This will be like the guest bathroom and Grayson's bathroom. And then that's Grayson's room. He's in there sleeping already. Here's our bathroom. No tub, but that's okay. Bathroom, lots of cupboards. This is a little like bathroom closet, I guess. We could put towels and stuff in. This is our bedroom. And then fan. And then closet. Never had a big walk-in closet before, so there it is. And then we look out there. So this house is like only a couple years old, which is really nice. So yeah, today is moving day. And then here is the garage. So we will probably be setting the workout room up in here somewhere, somehow. And then we'll have to heat it next year. Well, you guys, we made it through our first night. What do you want up there? I can't understand what you want. Grayson slept in, I'll show you his bed, in this big boy bed last night. And he only woke up one time, didn't you, buddy? Because he ran into the wall, rolled into the wall. But Nick came in and put him back to bed, and he was still like out, and he's just been chilling in here. They both love this room. I think this is gonna be their favorite room. Do you love your bedroom? Huh? Do you love your bedroom? Do you love your bedroom? Jax loves your bedroom. What do you think? What do you think? And then this is where we slept last night, because our box whatever they call it, is wet, so we're letting that dry, so we can't really set up our bed. So we slept on the floor, but it was okay. Look at Mommy and Daddy's bed is on the floor too. No. But we have so much unpacking to do today. I would love to get it all done. We have to go grocery shopping, don't we? What else do we have to do today? Play. Grayson wants to go play. You want to go play on your new swing set in the park when it warms up? Yeah. But we're all moved in, and what is going on with my hair? Night 1 was a big success. Jax even did really good. I didn't hear him whine once last night. We're gonna try and get a workout in today. Did it tickle? And I have a very long list of things we need. So that's gonna have to happen sometime this weekend.